Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this peachy look. Also, if you guys want to see this hair tutorial, I just filmed it as well. It's either going to be before or after this video, so I'll leave a link in the description whenever it goes live. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, the giveaway winner is going to be included somewhere in this video, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm getting started today on my eyeshadow. I already have my eyes primed with the Tarte Shape Tape and my eyebrows done with the Kylie Cosmetics brow pencil. I'm starting out with the So Jaded palette with Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I'm going to take You're a Gem right here, this orangey-ish transition shade. I'm going to put that all in my crease. It's a pretty light shade, but I'm going to build it up. By the way, please excuse my hair. I'm going to do my hair after I get done with the makeup. I have had this Kathleen Lights palette for a while. I guess, really, yeah, since it first came out. I ordered it online, but I haven't used it. Like, it just, I think I wanted it so bad because I love Kathleen, but it hasn't, like, called my name to use. I don't know why. Like, I want to, but I'm just like, I don't know what to do. I think because there's so many colors and so many different things you could do, it's kind of overwhelming. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to the Ace Beauty palette that looks like this. It came in a BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna take this shade Clove, this peachy shade, light peachy, and I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take this little Luxie brush, the mini tapered 121. I'm gonna focus it like a little bit more in the crease. I wore this little peach shirt so that I could match. It's actually a dress. I wore this exact outfit, this dress with this denim little shirt as a cover up to the Chris Brown concert. I'll insert a picture. I wish that we could go places, like, oh my gosh, going to a concert right now would be so fun. I want to go back to You're a Gem lightly and add that like more to the top of, like, almost like right where my brow bone starts, to blend out the edges. I'm taking like the tiniest amount, like right above the crease. I'm actually gonna take this little packer brush, it came from Amazon, I don't know, and I'm gonna take that peachy shade and put it all over my lid. So I'm gonna go back with the Kathleen Lights palette and take Gemstone, this color right here. Since I put that peach on my lid, it's gonna come out much more peachy. I constantly try to look into this bigger mirror and it's so far away that I really can't see. I don't know why I don't ever move it closer like this, like a smart person would. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and spray my brush with the Wet n Wild Cucumber. Any spray you have will work. Alright, so that's pretty much the eyeshadow. I'm going to go wet my beauty sponge because I forgot, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put on the Kiss Lashes in Flirty, and I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is just a pore filling primer, so I'm just gonna put it in my T-zone. Okay, I'm gonna go with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Stromboli. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and dot it on my face. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. sponge to blend that out. If you guys hear chewing, that's Nipsey chewing on his bone. He's like really going at it. Okay, I'm gonna try out this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, the new one. I don't have dry skin, but I found that the original Camo Concealer is pretty drying. It's a little too matte once you powder it and everything. So I'm hoping I got a good shade. I got this in, oh, it's light. It's pretty pale. I got this in Light Sand. Maybe I should have gotten medium. I've heard good things about this, but I wanted to try it out myself. I don't think it's as full coverage as the matte one. Could be as well that maybe it doesn't mesh very well with this foundation. I don't know. I'm gonna try to tap it out with this little brush and like right underneath my eye. Yeah, I don't know about this. I thought it was gonna be the same as the other one, but just maybe not as matte, but it doesn't seem to have the same coverage in my opinion. Definitely not in comparison to the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna take my Shape Tape in medium sand and add a little bit just like right underneath my eyes. I didn't really use that the original e.l.f. concealer, the camo concealer, a lot because I found it to be a lot more dry than the Shape Tape, so I kind of just would like go to the Shape Tape before I chose that. Seems like almost a little patchy right here, probably where the foundation and the concealer met. Maybe they just don't go well together, I don't know. I'm gonna try it out with another foundation another time. I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Vulgar powder underneath my eyes with the sponge. I'm using that to set my forehead and around my mouth too. Pretty much all over. I'm gonna go with the butter bronzer and the Aesthetica brush, the same two things that I always use. This bronzer smells so good. It smells like a pina colada. The more I look at my under eyes, the more I hate them. Okay, for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Crown of My Canopy. It's a cute peachy shade. I'm using this Bodyography brush to put that on my cupid's bow, my nose, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna go back to that Ace Beauty palette and take that peachy shade with that smaller blending brush, the Luxie 121. I'm gonna run this shade all in my lower lash line. You'll have to build it up a little bit. Make sure you tap off your excess so that you don't get any fallout on your under eyes. I'm also gonna blend that out into the shadow, kind of winging it out a little. Last thing I'm gonna do is my lips. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with this Kylie Cosmetics liner in Coconut. Okay, I'm gonna dab on this, what is this, Rimmel Lasting Finish lipstick in Rosetto. It's like a super pale peachy shade. Not too much because it's really pale and it's gonna look, it won't look that cute. So then I'm gonna go over top of that with this Revlon lip gloss in Sandstorm. So I'm gonna go do my hair really quickly because it looks a mess, and I'll be back to finish out the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and the finished hair. I'm going to insert the giveaway winner footage right here. I'm going to film that on my phone probably, of me doing it on my computer. So congratulations to the winner. And also guys, I'm going to have another giveaway at 200 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll have more giveaways for you guys soon. Okay guys, so I'm going to pick the giveaway winner. It is Friday at 8:10. There are 50 comments. I have them sorted by newest first. So the newest would be number 50 and the oldest would be number 1, as of the order that they were picked. So I have this number generator. I'm putting in 1 to 50 and number 49. 49. So this would be 50 is, and this is 49. Leslie Mora. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna DM her on Instagram, and I'm going to post the pic right here on the screen too.